Hello friends, so now you are familiar with this Adobe Illustrator interface. So now it's time to create a new document and to start working on it, isn't it? So for creating a new file or a new document, you might have probably guessed, right? That we need to go to the file menu. Let's click on the file menu and here you will see an option new. And you can see that its keyboard shortcut is Ctrl N. So let's click on new or press Ctrl N and Command N for Mac users. Okay, you can see this window popping up. The name of this window is New Document and it is providing you few options. The first one, you can provide a name of this document, like say my first Illustrator document. The second option is profile and you can see that it's a drop down. Here we are having some other options also like print, devices, video and film, basic RGB. I'm coming to it just a bit later, but in this lecture only. And number of artboards, let's skip it for now. Size. So what will be the size of this document? This option controls the size of your document. I mean the width and the height of your document. And see, here it is written 960 by 560. And here see, the width is 960 and the height is 560. And you can even change it, say 640 by 480. And one thing, did you notice that when you are changing the size, this profile option is also changing. Again, let's change this profile. Well, just note it that currently its size is 640 by 480, right? Now let's change it to print and see, currently the size is of letter type. And see, here we are having some other options: letter, legal, tabloid, A4, A3 and some other options also. Well, these are regarding print. So under print profile we are having some default size of few kind of documents. You can even select custom. I mean, if you, well, you can't select custom, but if you change the width, say let's make it 613 point, see now it's custom. Well, so let's select print for now. And here you can control the units. Yes, friend. So what are the units that are available to us? Points, picas, inches, millimeters, centimeters, pixels. So if you are a web guy, I think you will prefer pixel. Else, mainly in Illustrator, we used to do some artworks, some business card designs, some logo designs. You can even design website. Yes, friend. Website framework design can also be done in Illustrator. So let's move on. So from here you can select your preferable unit. Generally pixel or inches you can select. I mean that will be based on the type of work which you are doing. Okay, this is the bleed option. Let's skip it for now. And here are some advanced options. You can even hide it if you don't want to look at it. But let's take a look at it. This is the color mode. CMYK is selected. You can also work on RGB mode. Now, then we have the raster effect. This is the resolution. Let's change it to web. See, the resolution has changed. Now it's 72 pixels per inch. Let's select print. Say it's 300 ppi, 300 pixels per inch. Preview mode, it's let's make it default only. Align new objects to pixel grid. Well, let's leave these for now. So these are some options for creating a new document. If you just take a look at these, you will understand it. So that's it. When you are comfortable, just you need to click on this OK button. Well, now let's click on OK. Yippee! Congrats! You have created your first Illustrator document. Wanna give some treat to your friends? Yup, you can. You can design some cool stuff in Illustrator and then you can share those designs with your friends, isn't it? That's kind of stuff which you want to share, isn't it? Okay. So let's move on. Now let's create another document just to make you familiar with the procedure. So how we can create a new document? Let's go to File, click on New, or you can press Ctrl N to make this window visible, this new document. Then you can provide the document name. You can select a profile. You can change the width and the height. Let's make it pixel for now. And let's make it web. Okay. So just do some changes to your size and all. See, another thing is that for web, it's 72 ppi. For print, it's 300 ppi. Now, for any other profile option other than print, it's I guess 72 ppi. Let's select devices. It's 72 ppi. Video and film, again 72 ppi. Basic RGB, again it's 72 ppi. So for print profile, it's 300 ppi. 300 pixels per inch. So just remember these things. This might be helpful to you, or if you are preparing yourself for Illustrator competition or some Illustrator exam. Remember these terms like ppi. What's the full form of ppi? Pixels per inch. Okay, that's it. Now we are done. Let's click on OK. That's it. So congrats, you have created your second document. Okay, so that's it guys. So till now you are familiar with Illustrator interface, and also you can create document in Illustrator. Now you are ready to create awesome designs in Illustrator. Yes friend, and in our next lecture we are going to create an interesting shape. You don't have to know anything before doing this awesome project. Yes friend, from starting only we'll be doing projects. Yes, so see you in the next lecture where we will create an interesting shape. I'm really very excited to share that lecture with you guys. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.